Hi all, welcome back. In this video, you will get to know how you can get some cashback or discount while paying the electricity payment bill using some app or websites. I have listed down for all the details from the some leading pay later app or payment app, and you can see those in the screen. So first, I'm coming to simple pay later app. You can get up to rupees 100, 10% cashback up to rupees 100 while giving the electricity bill payment, and there will be no coupon code needed for that. You don't have to give any coupon code, but there is one condition, like it is for only the first time user, like you can use this only once and it's not recurring. Next, I'm coming to MobiKwik. It is giving 5% discount if you pay through super cash, and in that case also no coupon code is needed if you pay using your super cash. And next, I'm coming to PayZapp. It's a HDFC Bank payment app, and if you have an account in HDFC Bank, then you can use this payment app, and the coupon code will be bill pay, and using that you can get 50 cashback, 5% cashback up to rupees 50. Next, I'm coming to Freecharge. For Freecharge, the code will be POW30 or POW new, and you can get 5% cashback up to rupees 30. And for MobiKwik, PayZapp, and Freecharge, you can avail this in every month, once in every month. But for Simple, it's only for the first time. Next, I'm coming to Amazon. For Amazon, there is no hard and fast rule that every month you will get some coupon for this, and you have to check in the reward section of your Amazon account. And if there is coupon for electricity bill payment, you have to collect that first, and at the time of payment you can redeem that, and the cashback amount will be credited to your wallet, and no coupon code will be needed for that. Only you have to collect the coupon. If it is present in the reward section, you have to keep on checking that, like whether it's present or not. Next, I'm coming to Paytm. For Paytm, the cashback amount ranges between rupees 10 to 100, and you have to check in the offer section, and if there is an offer you have to activate it first, and you can apply that while, or you can redeem that while paying the electricity bill. And after paying, you will get a scratch card which will be having the cashback amount, and you can use that in the future orders. And the last one is phone pay. For phone pay, the process is little complicated. Like first you have to do the payment, then you will get some voucher which you can use in purchasing something in Mintra, from Mintra. So it's little complicated. Like first you have to use their phone pay app to give the payment, then you will get the voucher, and you can again have to purchase something from Mintra, then only you can use that voucher. So it's little complicated process. And for others like GPay, there is we rarely find any cashback from them, so I haven't listed that here. And another thing, like another important thing that I have to mention, like before doing any payment or before uh, getting anything, means while you are paying the electricity bill, you first have to check the terms and conditions for each of them. Like sometimes the offer is present for pay later, sometimes it is present for wallet payment through wallet, or UPI payment, or debit card, credit card payment. You have to check that, otherwise you won't get the cashback amount if you means unless you are obeying all the terms and conditions. So my request is to, before paying, you go through the terms and conditions, and that's it. If you know any other website or app they are giving good amount of cashback or discount, you can let me know in the comment section. That's it for the time being. Thank you.